Specialty Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And this one is a beauty. It's a 2007 Saleen S281, so supercharged coupe. Actual mile car, 13,641. Saleen sequential number of 223. 4.6 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood that has been massaged a little bit even after Saleen was done with it, and we're going to get into that in a little bit. 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Take a good look at the front fascia, grille, headlights. Now, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on the chrome wagon wheels, Pirelli radials. This car is extremely clean. I haven't really noticed a touch-up spot on it, a nick, anything like that. All right, first of all, underneath the hood, what has been done is it's JDM tuned with an SCT tuner, has larger injectors, Saleen Extreme intake manifold, and Saleen Extreme pulley. It's a Series 6 upper hat for the supercharger. It also has a larger Ford Racing throttle body, as well as an upgraded belt tensioner, UPR billet belt tensioner. And we're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. As you can see, up and down this passenger side, no major nicks, dings, scratches. I really haven't noticed any imperfections again on this car. Another thing I want to say and note on here, Carfax confirms actual miles. It looks like it could be a 2-owner car, and there was one dinger on the Carfax, front bumper and grille are not original, let's put it that way, or have been repaired. Any questions on that, consult with a sales associate as you call in or email. And again, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pics. All right, original parts that will go along with this that were replaced. This obviously got larger fuel volume, different injectors, larger injectors. There will also be a copy of the Saleen window sticker, receipt from JDM. There's your upper hat for the supercharger. It's the Saleen original one, and again, I'll show you underneath the hood. SAT tuner, original pulley, belt tensioner, belt, cold air intake, and original plugs, and then also the Saleen owner's manual, as well as the Ford owner's manual. So that will all go along with it, and that would be original equipment to the car. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side, and once again, free of nicks, ding, scratches, what you'd expect with a 13,000 mile car. Take a little closer look at the interior. Note the side glass and rear window tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. Door panel, get a good look at that. Of course, the Saleen leather seating. Bolsters look good. Power seat working over on this side. I'm going to slide it back a tad here. And we're going to fire this up. Another thing to note, underneath the hood, it does have, I believe it was the red line hood struts, and it has the WMS Stealth hood pins. Very nice upgrade. So this car has been tastefully modified. All right. Let me show you the exact miles. 13,641, you can hear that supercharger whine. Shaker 500 stereo system. Man, this car sounds good. Top of the dash, of course, the Saleen 2-gauge pod with air temp and then boost PSI. No service engine soon, like checking engine, anything like that. Has a rather menacing sound. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood popped. And actually, I can do this one one-handed because of those hood struts. It is a firm pull on the hood release. But once it's released, there you go. So this is that stealth hood pin setup, WMS. Again, tastefully done. Here it is. Looks like powder coated to match valve covers. JLT catch can. A Ford Racing throttle body. And done at JDM. So again, tastefully done. Yes, this one looks as good in person as it does the video and the pictures. Call us, any questions, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, some of those miscellaneous original parts and what have you, all in the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very fun 2007 Ford Mustang. This would be Saleen's version of the Mustang, which means we've got a supercharger. That supercharger has been tweaked, so we've got even more power. This is a manual transmission for all the fun. Once this car's out of the way, let's go see what kind of fun we can have. I don't know if you can hear that whistle. It's whistling and whining in all the good ways. Don't want to keep going too much. I'm approaching a bit over the speed limit. This car is tons of fun. We've got that lovely whistle, the lovely exhaust note, all the power you could want. Another one I want to play with the throttle on just to hear the whine. What a lovely condition car too. Less than 15,000 miles. It's basically a new Saleen in the orange that you don't see very often. All our gauges are working great. The fuel's a little under half. The temperature is a little under half. The volts are just over half, and so is the oil pressure. That all is where we want to see it. If I put the window down, maybe you can hear the whine a little better when we're down in speed here. Going second. Going third. Oh yeah, so much fun. This is a beautiful Saleen, and you definitely want to take all the pictures into account at uniqueclassiccars.com.